Hello everyone, welcome to my video, to my new video and to my new baby channel. Here is Marina. How you feel with my new background? I'm very happy today. Christmas are coming, so I thought to decorate a little bit my small corner and feel fresh and ready for Christmas. Still early, it's November, but Christmas on the way. So today I have to show you something new. I don't know if I will speak about me. This brand I met and I saw for first time maybe before a year ago, when I was somewhere outside and in one good area of Dubai, where all the rich people they're working, and the ladies they use their expensive bags, you know, like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, and all this luxury bags. So at that time, I saw a lady, a local Emirati lady, that she was wearing a bag, and when I saw her, I was like, OMG, what is this? Which brand is this? I first time see it. She was so beautiful, and the bag was so attractive from far, you know, that I should find out what is this brand called and why I don't know this brand, because I'm into it and I know everything, and I thought that I know everything. So the bag was decorated with emblem in front, and one eagle emblem, that it was the most important for me to find, because this is what actually I was attracted to it, and I really like this kind of stuff. I started googling and I found out that I was not aware of this London brand, UK brand, that the name is Geiger or Geiger, or I don't know how how I shall to pronounce it right. As the original Greek, I will say Geiger, but I think we call it Geiger, short Geiger. And I finally found out that we really had the brand in Dubai Mall, I mean boutique of Kurt Geiger in Dubai Mall, that I was not aware as well. And I decided to go in. And I went out with my first bag at that time. It's this beautiful black Kurt Geiger. This is the medium size, which I love it. And it was coming in different colors. I prefer as my first to get it in black color, and I really loved that it was in two variations of leather, suede and plain leather. Kurt Geiger, this is what I was talking about. I really love the emblem, the eagle head, which is in all their items, is the basic characteristic, which is it comes with stones, you can see it, and beautiful eyes, black eyes. So I was really surprised, first of all, that I didn't know this brand. Now, if I will speak about this brand, I will say that it's not one very well-known name. It doesn't sell, or it's not well known in all the countries, USA or Europe. It comes from UK, it comes from London. It's one London brand, and slowly I think it's getting more famous all over the world. Very good quality. What I have to say is that all their product, all their bags, as well shoes, wallets, whatever, it's pure leather. All their products are leather. And if I would say, like for example, for this one, the feeling of the leather is soft leather. Okay, it's soft leather, It reminds me lambskin, soft lambskin. And the ticket value for this kind of bag in the medium size, it was around 350, if I'm not mistaken. And it comes in different sizes, means this is the medium, there is as well mini, and there is large and extra large as well. I thought that this size is very good for my body, and I can wear it as a shoulder bag, I can wear it as a crossbody, and if I want, I can just wear it like this. Somebody came, I hope it's not for me. So I will show it to you from inside. We have two magnets, something that I love in all the brands. I prefer it than the middle, like clasp or magnet, because sometimes when we overstuff the bag and there is only one middle clasp here, maybe the sides of the bag are, you know, they fly because it's overstuffed. But this bag, even if I will overstuff it with many items, it will still remain and it will keep the right shape. This I use it for almost a year. It's made very easy to go back. It's not that expensive that I will think and baby it. It's very you feel like very comfortable to use it. It keeps the shape, but what I have to say is because it's a soft leather. Not all the bags, I mean to say about this design, they are making some creases but no damage. One very nice stuff what they have, it's that you can see here the Geiger London stamp in the back side of every bag, and then inside you will see as well the stamp which says Geiger London I am leather. This is I like so much. I am leather, because all of their products are leather, and I can say they are good leather. The chain feels like heavy. It doesn't feel like cheap, if you know what I mean, and very comfortable anyway you will use it. So after that, this was my first experience. Yesterday, after a year, I thought that it's time for me to have a new piece, and I will keep here. I came back with one new bag. Here is the dust bag. The materials, like the packaging materials of Geiger, I cannot say that they feel so luxurious or so expensive. It's just a simple dust bag. But sometimes I do appreciate that, comparing with high ticket luxury brands, that they use very expensive packaging material. But I prefer to pay for the quality and not for the packaging. I know sometimes it's important because we like to store our items or to feel the luxury, but I prefer when the brand invests in the quality of the item than the packaging. For me, it's not so expensive, and it's not so important, and as well, I don't keep the packaging anymore. So this is my new baby. I got again in black, don't kill me, but I got one more that I'm going to show you. This one I got it because it's a different leather. Comparing with the previous that I had, that it feels like soft battery leather. This one, it has that croco pattern, and it's more stuff. It's more feels more thick leather and more structured. You can see the bag. See how beautiful it is from backside. I did well. And today, this here, I think they have changed the signature backside, which is, it comes in a metallic plaquette called Geiger London, and silver eagle head with the stones and black eyes. I really love that. I think that this one, I will wear it more, and it's very good even for the night outing. Even for the night outing, and day, why not? At the work. If I was going for the bigger size, at the work it will be the perfect one. Inside the stamp, you can see even the tag price, which is actually in UAE dirhams, and it's 1,300. So 1,300 equal to dollars. It's about 370 for this model. Not that expensive, but it looks and feels luxurious. It's eye catching, and I can wear it with casual. I think I can wear it up and down with good dressing. So what we have here, 2 compartments, very nice chain. I have not used it yet, but a lot of stuff to take inside for sure. As I said, and in the previous, 2 magnets, right and left. Good structure bag. And are you ready to see the other one, what I got? Ah, wow. Here is my baby. I should to get something else than only black. I feel that I should to have something in a different color so I can change, or I can use for more evening or more dressy outfit. No, tell me that it's not perfect. Do you like it? I love it. I'm not into snakes too much, but I don't know why. This one was really calling my name. So, what we have here, Geiger tag, and gold eagle head with the stones. 2 magnets again. And some paper, tissue paper. This one is 1 compartment. And let me see. Still with the protection, because of course it's new and I didn't use it yet. The chain here is looks like a vintage gold, It's not brass, but okay, I think the cover, it cannot let me take it all out. So this one I'm going to wear it as a crossbody, which I cannot do now because, okay. The tags are still here and everything is here that I'm not able perfectly to remove it and show you, but you can for sure understand how perfect this can look and can pop any of my simple outfits. And I feel already that I want to go out. So if I'm going to wear it with some black, with my black dress, or even with my black jeans, it can pop my outfit. Very beautiful. I was missing the mini size, and always we need one small, beautiful crossbody. So this is the Geiger. I hope that you will search and you will find the brand and you can order online, or maybe you can message me or leave your comment below the video, so I can guide you and send you the links where we can find. Sometimes maybe we are very lucky and we can get online, and depends the country where you are. If you are in USA, I don't think that you can order online, but you can leave your comment and I can find for you. It's a very, very beautiful bag, and it's not high ticket. You're not going to spend more than 300 to 400 even for the big size, and it will really be eye-catching and you will enjoy it. I hope that you love my video. I hope that you like the nice background I feel have today, and subscribe in my channel, like my video. Till the next time in my next video, have a good time, enjoy your day, and all the best. Stay safe. Bye bye.